In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3052 printer in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome, and at the address bar, please paste the link that I have given at the description box below. So please copy it and paste it here. So make a right click on paste, and click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to navigate it to the result of this one. Okay, so wait until you'd be able to be redirected on this page where you can see the printer driver. Once you are here, if the Windows 11 is not being automatically detected, please click on choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11. Once done, you need to click on update and then kindly wait until you can find a list of the option where you can download this HP LaserJet 3052. For here, please scroll down. Find for an option called Driver Universal Print Driver. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'd be able to see two results. Please click on Download next to it. And there you can now start the downloading process. So to check the progress, just have to navigate to the top right corner. You can see your download icon here. Click on it. Okay. And just have to wait until the file would be downloaded. Once done, you need to wait until you can see a folder icon before we continue. Once you've seen it, click on it to show it in folder or to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it and then click on the cat icon. Okay, just click on this cat icon and then close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and you need to click on paste. So once you have pasted the zip file here, you need to make a right click and then proceed to extract all, or either use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. So please proceed to WinRAR and click on extract to. Once a new file folder has been created, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And at the settings, please proceed to Bluetooth and devices. And here you can see printers and scanners. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll see this option called Add Device. Click on it. And wait until you can open another option where you can find a printer manually. So once it's here, click on Add Manually. And there you can see add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next, click on this down arrow key, and then you need to select any of these three USB ports. So if you have seen the HP port here under the list of choices, you can use that as well. So click on Next, and then you need to navigate to Have Disk and click on Browse. Now we need to navigate to the desktop, scroll down, find for extracted file, double tapped, and then you need to select any of the drivers being listed here. Click on open and click on OK. And once you have set this one or once you have find this two, select the second and please rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting HP LG space 3052. Once done, click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finish, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the printer driver called HP LaserJet 3052. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.